just stick your finger down there as hard as you can.
Even while
tickle that uvula.
Even while
I don't think men have. No, I don't think women have prostates. What did she say on King of Queens? No, it was like, I don't remember. You just gotta. I usually think like roughly it comes out like every 10 seconds. So you tickle that uvula. Even though Arthur said women don't have uvulas. There you go. See, that usually gets rid of it.
That's funny. I couldn't even touch it, but I was thinking of
Arthur. You didn't touch it?
No, I don't think I did, but I was
it.
way back. Because my finger isn't long enough.
Yes,
my finger is not long enough.
No, it's long enough.
I don't know what you're saying.
It's long enough.
Shit, they're still there. Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
Get back, honey. Okay.
There you go. That was the trigger.
That's to stop the hiccups.
That's the trigger. Yep.
Okay.
Woo.
I kind of feel like they're there, but because I can feel the crampness in my diaphragm. But
you just got to get rid of one of them in that series.
That's really funny.
Yeah, that's how I think of it.
Oh, hold on a second. Yeah. Did that really solve?
Sometimes I hold my breath and force that diaphragm not to expand. And sometimes I blow out all my air and then hold my diaphragm really still, and that kind of helps.
I had a hiccup. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, so you got to go back.
But that was a long distance between the first.
Yeah, so you got to go back.
Oh, crap.
Oh, crap.
Crap. Okay, hold on.
Now I think you should open the door.
Because I might throw up?
Sure, yeah. Because you got to be aggressive. If you want to get rid of them, you got to be aggressive.
Real aggressive. This could be rated G.
Yeah.
X.
God damn, you are.
Okay.
Michael Scott.
Oh, God, Michael Scott. Okay.
You are so innocent.
Okay,
You're amazing.
Oh, crap. I hate hiccups. Okay, ready?
Oh, you're bad.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, yeah, I'm going somewhere. Yep, that's where I'm going to go. Stick it in there. Tickle that uvula.
I am.
Get that finger in there. God damn. Come on, get it in there. The dog's freaking out.
Go, free dog.
Good.
I was tickling it around, and I even put my tongue, pushed my finger back in there.
No.
You know what? I don't feel a spasm in my diaphragm.
So then chug huge gobs of the beer and occupy that diaphragm, occupy that throat. That's how I think of it as getting rid of it. Big glugs. And then exhale everything and hold it out and keep your diaphragm as still as you can. Get rid of those. But
what about the fizzy bubbles?
I don't know.
The fizzy bubbles. You just told me.
Whatever you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about.
You just told me to guzzle.
Just make that diaphragm and that throat, all those throat muscles, make them be doing something else other than anticipating in your brain hiccuping.
We're going to go fly fishing. This fly has been, this topper and dropper has been on that. You know what? I feel pretty good.
That's it. Don't think about it. Take a deep breath. Stretch that diaphragm out. Exhale.
Take another big chug.
Take another big breath. Take a big drink. Just move on.
Think about,
it's just
go to my happy place.
It's just
my happy place. Bush Light. Really?
Remember, you're not acting like you're on TV. You're trying to get rid of the hiccups. Because they suck. They're a pain in the ass.
Oh, my God.
Exhale all the way. Sometimes I even jam my fingers in there and hold my diaphragm. It's all mental. There you go. Good job.
It's gone.
Yeah.